today's training here at Forever Living Products. My name is Ida Mirembe. I'm a clinician by profession. I have been using Forever Living Products since 2010. My favorite products were Berry Nectar here, the Naturemin, this, and B12, this. I was born an asthmatic, and I used to struggle a lot with asthma. And so whenever we used to have the dry spells and the cold weather, I used to have challenges with allergies, my eyes. I also used to get asthmatic attacks, difficulty in breathing, chest pain and tightness. And so most of my childhood was like that. 2010, a friend of mine told me about these products. And so I started using Berry Nectar. This was one of them, as I shared earlier. I love the drink. It has a nice taste. Berry Nectar here has cranberries in it and apple extracts. It's a natural product. It has no side effects. So I loved this product very much because of the taste, and also being a clinician, I love to take care of my health. So I love to prevent. As much as I had asthma, being with my background, I knew asthma will not go. So when I was using these products, I was just taking them to help me live healthy, because with my understanding, this drink helps you to keep healthy. With the apples in it, as you know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So with the apples in it, it helps to combat free radicals in our bodies, and so it helps you to be healthier because it has that antioxidative property. The other product in this, the component, is cranberries. Cranberries help to clean the system of the urinary system, the kidneys and all that. So when you use this product, you tend not to suffer from UTI infections. As you know, ladies, it's very easy to pick infections, even when you're very careful. A little stress here, sometimes the environment at work, you have to use the toilets with many other people. Even when you step out, when you go outdoors, you will be worried that where am I going to use, to ease myself. And so with this product, you don't have to worry much, because you can drink all you want, the water, and then when you're using it, you will realize that you will not get UTI infections. They will be really at par. The other thing I loved with this product, when you use this product together with Vitalize Women concurrently, you will realize that you have your monthly periods without pain. The months that I have used this drink, I do not have any bit of cramps at all when my days come, and so it becomes very, very friendly to me. Yeah? So I encourage all of you ladies to make this part of you, because when you do this and this Vitalize Women, it takes care of every woman's bit of challenge. Women are designed in a way that hormones are the ones that really control our world. Whether it's the skin problems that you may be having, whether it is the monthly periods, whether it is the pregnancies and breastfeeding and after your periods at menopause, it's really the hormones that control how we feel and how we are. So when you use this, it helps you to keep, together with Vitalize Women, it keeps your hormones balanced at all times. So if you have trouble with your skin, once you incorporate this into your daily routine, you will realize that your hormones will balance and your skin troubles will cease. If you have problems with your periods, I had one time I was at a station working, and then I had this patient who came in. She actually had a lot of pain. We call it dysmenorrhea. So when she came, she went straight on the floor, and she was in a lot of pain. So when she went, I was at work, but I always had this bottle, because when you're getting ready for work, sometimes you will leave it at home, even when you intend to drink it. And since you're supposed to drink it as the first thing in the morning, so I tend to have it in my desk at work. So I had this with me, and when this lady came in, she needed some drugs to ease the pain, but she was in too much pain that she just went flat. So I asked her, what's the problem? Then she told me she had cramps. And so I just told her, if you don't mind, I have a drink that I use personally. If you don't mind, I'll just give you 2 covers of it, you drink, and I'm sure it will sort you out. She was positive, so I gave her my drink. I shared with her because it was already open. I used to drink it daily. And I gave her just 2 covers of this drink. The results are amazing. Within 10 minutes, the lady was up. She was able to sit, and then we started talking. Funny enough, she's like, by the way, what was that you gave me? So I then shared about this wonderful product. So this is not only a ladies' product, it's a product that can be used by men as well, because it's with its properties, the apples and the cranberries, it has been researched and discovered that it is very good for different organs in the body. And that is how it was able to help me keep my asthma quiet. I was telling you about my asthma story. When I started this in 2010, my asthma went really quiet. I did not get attacks at all. I actually got allergic attacks at some point in 2020 after I had my last born. Yeah, so that's when I got a bit of allergies, but it was not really asthmatic attacks as I used to have when I was little. So when I started this drink and the NatureMin, it helped me to keep my asthma off, and up to this day, I do not get those symptoms of asthmatics. And you know, when you have asthma, it comes along with other allergies. I used to put on glasses, reading glasses full time. But for now about 7 years, I've not been using my reading glasses, because with the aloe and its nature, it corrects problems, any challenge in the body. So with the aloe in this drink, it was able to help me put my troubles at bay. So I kind of got that correction even in my eyes, which were very troublesome, the allergies and also the reading challenges. My reading challenges were mainly associated with allergies, because you know, when you have allergies, you keep scratching the eyes. And so I had scars on my cornea, and because of that, I was having trouble reading. But when I started drinking aloe, it helped me to correct all that. Slowly the scars went away, and I went back to reading normally without glasses. Yeah, so that is our berry nectar for you. I did mention about NatureMin, but I'll also want to add a little. NatureMin comes from natural minerals. It has a lot of minerals added in it. It's one of those products for you ladies who want to have nice skin, nice hair, and nails which are not brittle. They don't easily break. So if you want to have those 3 components with you, you can use NatureMin. Again, NatureMin is not a product for only ladies. It is for everyone in your home, the children, the men. Please, it is very rich in nutrients. Give it to your husbands, give it to your boyfriends, give it to your friends. Everybody needs this product, because when you look at the components, the composition, it has the iron, it has the calcium, it has the zinc, selenium. Those are very good for men. They're supposed to take them on a daily basis. So make sure that you recommend this product. It's one of the cheap products we have. So please, when someone approaches you and they need a product that can take care of them, please give them this supplement. That is NatureMin for you. Every lady needs to be using B12, because you know, with the monthly flows, you lose iron. And so, together with the blood components. So this one is very good for us, as long as you know you're still on your monthly days, and even after, that is post-menopause, because these components of iron, there is a way they contribute to the well-being of a woman or a lady. So please, if you're a young lady or if you're having children, this is one of those products that are very safe during pregnancy. So when you're giving products to your clients, pregnant mothers, do give them B12 plus. It is rich in all the iron components, and it is a must-have. We also have Multi-Marker. This is one of the products I also love very much. You see, when you're using this product, you get the benefits of looking youthful. when ladies have children, they tend to have a lower libido and their body changes naturally. But when you use this marker, it helps you get back in shape. It helps you to bring back your bust in shape. It also helps you to have a normal libido like any other person. So it is good for the married. I actually recommend this for the married. I don't give it to my young friends who are not married, because I want to make sure that at the end of the day, people are not misbehaving. It has very good benefits for those who are married, and that is where the libido comes in from. Yeah, it helps you to keep on a balance, whether you're breastfeeding, whether you're at any other time of the month, you can use this product. Yeah. Then for our young people, okay, those of you who will promise me that you will not misbehave, this helps to balance the hormones in your body. So I have given this to people who have problems with their skin, and it has actually sorted them out because of that characteristic of it. It balances our hormones. This is a product that is used by both men and women. So whenever you're dealing with people who are married, both men and women, do recommend this because it can save a marriage if someone has troubles in their marriage. And for more details, you can always contact me, because I know we are talking to the young people, and some are here and they are married, but there are also those who are not married. So for more details, you can still reach to me and I'll give you more details. Here, I talked about Vitalize Women briefly, but it is also one of those products that is designed with a woman's need in mind. I mentioned to you earlier that a woman is controlled, whether it is your mood, whether it is your beauty, whether it is your energy, everything about us is hormonal. So this product is very good. Yeah? If you use it, you will not have troubles with your menstruation, you will not have troubles with those hot flashes. You know, after menopause, those ladies tend to get troubles with hot flashes. Yeah? The so-called PCOS. I see some of you advertising and talking about PCOS. When you have clients with those challenges, whether it is fertility, whether it is infections, name it, we always recommend this. As long as you know you're dealing with a lady, this product is recommended for ladies from the age of teenagers and above. Feel free to give it to young girls who are in teenagehood. As long as they've started their periods, they will have safe and pain-free periods, as long as they combine it with a berry nectar. Yeah? And then basically that is around Vitalize Women. We have Absorbent C. It is very rich, and it has a high concentration of vitamin C. Now some of you will ask, why do I need to supplement? You know, supplements come to take care of the few extra nutrients that you may not be getting in your diet. When it comes to nutrition, the body has a requirement, a daily requirement of all the nutrients you take in, be it proteins, be it carbohydrates, be it vitamins, be it the roughage and fat. So you have to balance that. But with our busy schedules, it becomes very, very tricky to take care of all the nutrients that the body needs. So even when you see me talking about the different supplements, just know we need these supplements, because a scientist will tell you if you need to get 100% of vitamin C in your fruits. I'll give an example of a mango. You will be told, eat that fruit within 7 hours of removing it from the tree. I don't know how many of us have access to those kinds of fruits, that you are able to eat a fruit when it has not been compromised in terms of banging it, you know, in terms of exposing the fruits to heat, in terms of handling. Yeah? So nutrients is very sensitive, and so if you want a wholesome body, meaning that you're healthy, you have to take care of the nutrient bit as well as this other part of the psychological and the physical. You have to take care of your nutrients. So Absorbency has 100% vitamin C that you need on a daily basis. I use this supplement with my children and it helps me to control the flus that usually disturb these children. You know, when you have school-going children, they tend to pick those colds all the time. But when you incorporate this in their diet, It will help them to have that strong immunity. As you know, vitamin C is very good in keeping our immunity strong. Yeah, that is the vitamin part. So give this to your little ones, give this to yourself, so that you don't pick the flus and the colds going on. And so even when you get them, this presence of the high concentration of vitamin C in your body will help you not to get so down with these infections. When they come, they are not so strong on you, because they find your body already strong in terms of defending itself. One of another good supplements I love to talk about is this calcium. This is one of the products that has a lot of nutrients that are needed on a daily basis, as much as it's called calcium. Yeah, I remember those days of COVID, we had people buying a lot of those products which had both vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc. Yeah, now this is one of the products that has 100% requirement for the body, for vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc in all our products. So be sure to use it. You will also get other minerals like calcium and magnesium. A lady needs calcium in their body and phosphorus. Yeah, and this is to help you with your bones. As you lose your blood in the course of the month, it goes along with some minerals, and that's why you need to refill. So when you take in your supplements, make sure they have calcium, make sure they have iron, make sure they have phosphorus. And so when you use some of these products, you will be able to get a lot of those minerals in just one tin. We also have testimonies from our friends and our clients who are on ARV treatment. This is one of those products that works for them very, very well. It helps them to keep their CD4s. It helps them to keep their viral load suppressed. You know how that happens is because it is very rich in nutrients, and so when you feed the body right, the body is able to defend itself. Not that it will cure or anything, but it helps to keep the body strong and very, very, very strong. And when you combine this with vitamins, you can combine this with absorbency for a client, or you can combine it with Forever Kids. They will be very, very pleased when they use them, because they will get the benefits. Then I want to talk about aloe. This is our best product. It is a product that we sell so much all over the world. I cannot live without talking about it. Aloe is a product that we all need to get ourselves used to. It cleans our body from toxins, and these toxins are the ones that accumulate and make us sick. So when you clean the body of toxins and then you feed it with the right nutrients, then you will have a body that is able to defend itself from all the sicknesses. And when the sicknesses or infections come, they'll find your body ready to defend itself. So always make this your friend, aloe. It is pure aloe. It is 100% aloe. Stabilized. It's very natural. It will be as if you're taking aloe vera from a plant when you use this. And so when you use this bottle, what do you expect? You're going to get a good skin. Why? Because when aloe cleans you on the inside, it shows on the outside. Yeah? And so that is why we clean. So it is used as a detox. It removes the toxins from your body. Apart from that, you are going to experience weight that is in control. Some of us have trouble maintaining a certain type of weight. Some of us put on a lot of weight. Sometimes when you're stressed, you tend to eat a lot. Sometimes, different times really. When you use this, it helps you to remove excess of anything that you put in your body. If it is excess calories that you're taking in, it will help you to clean out, and it will help you to clean your system, and therefore it will help you to absorb your nutrients when they go into your stomach fully, because it will have cleaned your system, your gut, and you will have a clean colon. Those are the few supplements I wanted to talk about, but I cannot live without talking about personal care products. These are products that we use on our bodies, on the outside. It's important to take care of the inside first. Many of us love to put on the makeup and everything, but if you're not taking care of the inside, trust you and me, the results will not be long-lived. You will have results for just a short time. And just a matter of time, people will see that, hey, actually you have trouble with your skin, with your health. But if you clean inside and then you come and clean outside, then you're good to go. So this is hand soap. I love to combine these two, the hand soap and the jelly tube. With this, you have a complete way of taking care of your skin. Yeah. This hand soap is used for cleaning the body. It is safe for babies. It is safe for children, older children, and up to adults. It helps us to keep our skin in good state. And what does it use? The component in it is the aloe. So you can imagine if you use aloe, a natural product, to wash your body. That feeling is so good. I don't think there's anyone who doesn't want to pamper themselves with aloe. Aloe is very good. So you wash your body with this and then you use the jelly tube. Yeah? I've made a lot of money with these products, these two, because it helps with children and adults who have eczema. People who have trouble with eczema have moved places and they are so desperate to get something that can work for eczema. We have some people in the audience who have used these products and they've worked wonders for them. Children having eczema, they have used these two products and they have done it for them. You can imagine people go this far and that far importing products all the way from different countries, and still the eczema is not taken care of. But we have these two products. Once you use them, the eczema will just go to sleep and the child will recover naturally using these natural components of aloe in the soap and in the jelly tube which they apply on their skin. One thing I love about this jelly tube, it is a product that you can apply anywhere on your body. And I mean anywhere. You can swallow it down when you have irritation in your throat, when you have something wrong with your eye, you can still apply it. You'll feel a little bit of tinginess, but it will sort it out, even if there's an infection. And how does it do that? It is the aloe in it. I want you to go and read about aloe and the benefits. It has curative properties. It has cleansing properties, yeah? And even with allergies, it helps to put the body to get accommodative or get used to whatever is triggering the allergens, so that your body stops reacting to whatever it is in your environment you're reacting to. So please, when you have a child who has trouble skin, or a young person or an adult who has very, very troublesome skin, combine for them these products. They work wonders. So you can use this in your mouth, you can use it, you can swallow it down, you can apply it on your skin, you can put it on your face. And even when you get yeast infections, the one they call candidiasis, the candidiasis, we tend to use this jelly tube. It also helps to relieve the symptoms of itching and discomfort when someone has the yeast infections. This soap is also used on yeast infections. You wash yourself with it and then you apply this jelly tube. Yeah, it will help you to recover from those yeast infections without much stress. Yeah, this product is very powerful. Every household needs to have it because it is all around first aid. It is very powerful, by the way. Whether it is a burn wound, it is sterile, meaning it is ready to use. I have recommended it for patients who have had cesarean section and the wounds have gaped open again. You know, sometimes we recommend these products and people are very reluctant to use them until they are desperate. You find someone desperate, they've operated, and you can imagine that incision getting open again. Sometimes stress, sometimes poor nutrition, sometimes the hygiene. But when they use this product, it just helps them to heal in a way that even doctors sometimes fail to understand. So this is an all-around first aid everyone should have in their house. If you have an irritation or an insect has stung the child or yourself, just apply this. If you have a cut, you're in your kitchen and you're cooking and you get a cut, just apply this to your wound. Once I visited at my parents and there was a child who had a burn wound from an electric iron box. And the wound had been treated, but it had started getting sepsis. I just told them, don't mind, I know there's sepsis, but please use this product. They were able to call me within 2 days and they told me the sepsis is normal and the wound is healing very well. So please, whether the wound is fresh, whether the wound is old, use this and have it always on you, because you never know when an accident comes. So I hope you understand the use of this product. All kinds of wounds, all kinds of injuries, all kinds of accidents, whether it's closed or open, you can use this jelly tube and you'll have results. Yeah. Then we have this Forever Bright Tooth Gel. This is a tooth gel, simple as it seems, but it does wonders. Use it to brush your teeth. If you have sensitive teeth, within 3 days, you will have no sensitivity. Give it to your clients with confidence, because those results are guaranteed. While they have these other products which work with sensitivity, they don't take the sensitivity away, meaning that they have to rely on that product. If they don't use it, the sensitivity comes back in when they take hot things or cold things. But when you use this Forever Bright, it takes it away completely. It cures that sensitivity, as long as it's not a cavity that has gone to the nerves and exposed the nerves. I want you to understand that very well. Yeah, so you give it to your clients if they have sensitive teeth. Give it to your clients if they want their teeth to be naturally white. I think I have a nice smile. Yeah, I love this product and I use it on me. It helps me keep my teeth white. Actually, my husband tells me that I have very white teeth, but I know it is because of this. You can use it for first aid as well. When you have a wound, you can apply it. The components of this gel is aloe vera, and it also has propolis. Propolis is a natural antibiotic. I know there are people out there who really love to use natural because they have no side effects. So when you use this, it keeps your mouth fresh all day long because it has that propolis, and propolis being a natural antibiotic means it keeps bacteria away. As you have heard, the mouth is a source of a lot of bacteria and it's the most dirty place on your body. But when you use this, you have that privilege of having a fresh breath all day long, whether you're fasting and you're not eating meals, whether you're talking, because there are people who really say that if I don't talk, my breath will smell bad. Please, when you use this, you don't have to worry about that. You can do your fasting and still have a fresh breath. Yeah? Then if you have trouble with oral sores, those wounds which come in the mouth, frequent, or lips that kind of break, use this to brush. Don't apply on your lips, just use it to brush. You will see that the sores tend to go away. You will not be having trouble as you used to have before. Yeah? Yeah. So one thing I like about it, it has no fluoride also. When you read on your other toothpastes, those are called toothpaste, but this is a tooth gel, and they call it a gel because it has a high concentration of aloe. That's why it's a gel. So this tooth gel is safe for babies. They can swallow it down and you don't have to worry. Now I am giving you homework to go back to your homes and read on those other toothpastes that you're buying in your supermarkets. You will actually find a warning that don't swallow, and it will also warn you that use a peanut size, and if children are brushing, supervise them. My friend, you can give this to your child all day long and you don't have to worry about anything. Whether they swallow it down, it is okay, because with that aloe cleans inside. Yeah, if the child swallows it down, it is very safe. And then with the propolis in it, if there's any infection or bacteria, the child will be sorted. So when your baby plays with this, you just sit back and relax. But be careful if your child is using another toothpaste to brush. And so go back and read the warnings. This is very safe for children and older people. It's the only toothpaste I've seen actually on the market which is fluoride free. And why do they warn us not to use fluoride? Fluoride causes fluorosis. Fluorosis is a process where the material where the fluoride is exposed tends to wear out slowly. So if you use the fluoride toothpaste, slowly by slowly, you tend to have that outer cover of the tooth, which is the enamel, kind of affected. It dissolves away slowly by slowly because of the exposure on fluoride. But when you use a fluoride-free tooth gel, you don't have to worry about that. because as time goes on, even when you use it, you not have sensitivity. Then we have this deal. I encourage all ladies to use it. It is also a natural product from Aloe. It is called Aloe Evershield deodorant. It keeps you dry all day long, but in a natural way. So it will not block your pores in your underarms, and so it is very safe. When you look at these other antiperspirant deodorants which keep you safe, keep you dry as your day goes on, they use aluminium salts. But how do aluminium salts work? They kind of seal. So you will be dry, but you have sealed the underarms. Now what happens? God has created you with a mechanism of sweating toxins out. When you go and close your underarms with those aluminium components, you will clog from inside. Your pores will clog from inside. And as time goes on, if you continue using them for a long time, you will start to develop lumps in your muscles, the breast muscles. As time goes on, if they are not detected, they can be very dangerous in terms of breast cancers and the likes. So be sure that if you're using an antiperspirant, it's natural and safe like this one. So we give this to our young ladies, the young boys. It keeps the odor away, but naturally. Yeah, so I recommend you all to use a natural product that is going to be safe and you don't have to worry about it. When you finish shaving, it is very, very friendly. When you try these other deodorants on the market, when you apply them after shave, they tend to hurt. You feel a lot of pain. But when you use this, it instead soothes. The aloe in it soothes you, and so you don't feel any discomfort using it after shave. Then it also helps to clear the dark underarms, and those who have thighs which rub and then they tend to darken. We also advise you to use this because it will help you to remove the darkness of your thighs and bring you back to your natural tone of skin color. With those few words, I want to conclude with the ladies' products for today. We have a lot more in stock, but for now, we shall end with that.